Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or a seasoned professional, having the right heat press machine can make all the difference in your projects. From customizing t-shirts and mugs to creating unique designs on various materials, a reliable heat press is an essential tool in your creative arsenal. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best heat press machines available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional performance, durability, and value, catering to a range of needs and budgets. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and detailed specifications. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Vever 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Unleash boundless creativity with this versatile 5-in-1 heat press. It includes multiple attachments for personalizing t-shirts, hats, mugs, and plates, even handling 2 30-ounce tumblers simultaneously for enhanced efficiency. Enjoy enhanced safety from burns thanks to a 360-degree swing-away arm and pull-out drawer, keeping the heating plates safely away. Achieve perfect results with precise digital control, allowing you to preset temperature 32-480 degrees Fahrenheit /0-250 degrees Celsius and time 0-999 S, with automatic alarms to prevent overheating. Dual insulation technology keeps the surface cooler while maintaining consistent heat for flawless transfers. Number 4. Enor Hatress Heat Machine. Professional 2-in-1 Hat Press. This hat heat press machine comes with 2 kinds of heating platen that are 2.75 inches by 4.9 inches and 3.55 inches by 5.5 inches, which can perfectly meet your diversified needs and is friendly for both professionals and beginners. The concise and desktop design is suitable for commercial and home use. Digital temp and timer control. The LCD control panel helps you precisely set and track the temperature and time. Temperature range, 46 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 204 degrees Celsius. Time range, 0-999. The Teflon-coated aluminum plate heats fast and evenly and can achieve more efficient sublimation and heat transfer. Cap stretcher for easy operation. The cap stretcher can help you fix the hat more easily and flatly, with no crease anymore. Besides, there is enough space between the heating element and the heat plate to ensure you operate and adjust the hat more conveniently and safely. Auto timer starter and reminder. The timer will start automatically once you pull down the handle completely. Number 3. Tvont Auto Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 introduces revolutionary pressure customization, allowing you to precisely adjust pressure up to 80 kilograms, 170 pounds. This eliminates concerns about insufficient pressure, making it perfect for demanding projects like DTF transfers and ensuring professional results every time. One of its key advancements is the higher heat press height, now accommodating projects up to 4.5 centimeters, 1.77 inches, thick. This expanded clearance means you can easily press not just shirts, but also larger and heavier items like hoodies, significantly broadening your creative scope. Experience superior performance with fast and even heating. Combining NTC thermistor technology and a dual-tube heating engine, this 15 by 15 heat press heats up rapidly, saving you up to 30% in waiting time. It also ensures consistent heat distribution across the entire platen, guaranteeing clean and professional transfers. Number 2. Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine. This convenient bundle includes the Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine, 12 inches by 10 inches, and the Cricut EasyPress Heat Press Mat, 15.5 inches by 12.5 inches, providing everything you need for professional heat transfers. The Cricut EasyPress 3 is truly a no-stress heat press, combining the rapid speed of a traditional heat press with the user-friendliness of an iron. Its brilliance lies in its integration with the Cricut Heat app, allowing you to achieve durable, pro-level heat transfer results that withstand numerous washes. With its generous 12 in x 10 in 30 cm x 25 cm size, this press is perfect for large projects such as sweatshirts, banners, blankets, and many more expansive creations. Achieve precise results with adjustable time and temperature controls. You can manually set temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, or effortlessly send precise settings directly from the Cricut Heat app. Simply apply gentle pressure and release when prompted by the beep. Number 1. Enor 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine. This upgraded Enor heat press machine boasts a precise and user-friendly digital control and display, featuring a dual screen and comfortable silicone buttons. You can easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit as needed. Experience superior heat distribution with dual-tube heating. Unlike traditional single-tube systems, this 15 by 15 heat press ensures a temperature difference of only about 5 degrees Celsius between the center and edge, guaranteeing consistent and high-quality transfers. The 360 degrees swing-away design is a key feature, promoting even pressure distribution for better sublimation results. This design also significantly enhances safety by allowing you to move the heating element completely out of the way, minimizing accidental contact. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.